Hi guys, this is Dan from the Investment ABC, your guide to financial freedom. And in this video, I want to discuss why CCIV is crashing right now. If you check out my last video on CCIV, I was warning that the valuation for this stock is just too high currently and definitely not justified. But unfortunately, YouTube doesn't promote realistic views. Instead, it is promoting hype videos. Many people are asking what happened, why is CCIV stock crashing right now? I don't understand, the merger just announced. Yes guys, the merger is finally announced today and we were all waiting for this day. But unfortunately the stock went just too much ahead of itself and people who bought early like me were just waiting to dump the stock. I wasn't the only one planning to dump the stock, many others had the same idea and there weren't just enough buyers out there. If you are one of my subscribers and follow me, you might have watched my last video on CCIV where I said that the stock price is overvalued and that many retail investors unfortunately don't know the valuation of Lucid after the merger. Many people unfortunately believe that CCIV's market cap was the same as Lucid's, but this is not the case and how SPAC works. Please always do your own due diligence and never follow blindly any YouTuber or anyone else when it comes to your money. So please guys, don't follow blindly and be cautious. I was estimating a Lucid valuation of 80 to 90 billion US dollar in my last video, and if we have a look at the announcement, it says the transaction values Lucid at an initial pro forma equity value of approximately 24 billion at the PIPE offer price of $15 per share and will provide Lucid with approximately 4.4 billion in cash. This means at a price of $60 like we have seen today, Lucid would have been valued at 96 billion US dollar. This is totally crazy for a company with zero deliveries. And no, Lucid is not Tesla. It is like the CEO of Lucid was saying earlier in an interview. Lucid is where Tesla was 10 years ago. They start slowly with a high-end luxury car and will at some point in the future produce a mass market car. Lucid isn't in the solar industry, neither will they have any robotaxis and autonomous driving, since you need a lot of data for that. How can Lucid have a higher valuation than VW, for example, if Lucid is selling 0 cars and VW 11 million? CCIV stock is the harbinger for what will happen to the whole stock market soon. Remember, many people will make you believe that valuations don't matter anymore, but valuations don't matter until they do. In the end, think for 1 minute. Will you buy the burger shop next door, which is generating a good $100,000 in income every year for 10 million US dollar? You should learn to know the fundamentals of investing, which is you're buying a company, so learn how to read the financials. No one would buy a burger shop which is generating 100,000 in income every year for $10 million. So why would you buy a company like Lucid for 100 billion US dollar? I was expecting people to dump once the merger is announced, so I told my Patreons that I have sold my CCIV position today at a price of $62. I think a price of $25 to $30 would be appropriate for CCIV, which would value Lucid at around 40 to 48 billion US dollar. Even that is too much for Lucid in my opinion. Man, the Saudis and CCIV wrecked retail investors here with the deal. It's totally crazy. I really feel sorry for all those people who have leveraged themselves to go all in on CCIV because it will be the next Tesla. These people might be forced to sell, which might lead to a waterfall crash for the stock below $30 tomorrow. I just wanted to give you a quick update on why the stock really has crashed, and I hope I was able to warn at least some people with my last CCIV video. If you liked this video and learned something, please hit the like button to support the channel, subscribe for early stock picks, comment and share. Also join our Patreon for only $3 per month for the first 1,000 people to get access to buy and sell alerts on my stock picks before uploading on YouTube. Here are some of my stock picks you can verify on my YouTube channel. Bye guys and see you in the next one.